bronze medal, and that is exactly what they will do. They will be joined by South Africa, who will be taking silver, while Eritrea yet once again manages that gold. Our dignitaries are back, and it is an opportunity for the governor, the UCI president, and the PS to give these awards, and we will start off with the bronze medalist. There we go. The CAC president is also here, Dr. Azam. And we will start off with the bronze medal, which goes to a man who has already won the ITT individual race in the Africa Games, defended in the 2023 Africa Championships, gold medal which he won, but today he had to settle for bronze. All the way from Uganda, Kagimu Charles made a run for it, but ultimately falling just slightly short of that gold medal. He knows very well cycling, a road and gravel cyclist, 7th in the road race last year, and boom, this year comes in 3rd, and that is brilliant. History for Uganda as the first Ugandan to ever compete in the Olympic road race, and history for Uganda as the first Ugandan to make his way to the podium for that bronze medal. Silver place goes to South Africa. He was number 1. He was the golden boy in the under 23. He'll have to settle for silver, but what an achievement for this young star. Emil, the man of the moment from South Africa, the future of cycling, not just for South Africa, but for Africa. The PS engineer team will be awarding him of the medals, and boy, racking up a gold and silver is something that he can be telling his grandchildren about when the time comes, of course. And finally, he did it in 2022, gold. Did it in 2023, gold. He's done it in 2024, gold. I bet the only way to call him is the golden boy, Henok Muluberian from Eritrea! Eritrea has been an absolute force. Eritrea have made a statement to Africa. Eritrea are a proud nation as they look at their golden boy with a treble in the CAC Road Cycling African Championship. 3 is the number, gold is the color, 1 is the position for Henok. And we have done this so many times, we will do it one more time. Let us remain silent in honor of the Eritrean national anthem. Congratulations to Eritrea. Congratulations to Uganda, who have added a first medal in the history of the nation in these games in the men elite race through Charles Kagemu will stand up on the top podium, joined by the man who take gold in the under-23, takes silver for South Africa, making 8 silver medals for South Africa in these games, in this race. Van Niekerk Emil, and of course the man of the moment, the man who has made sure that history is on their side. They're the most dominant force in the races. Eritrea have 10 gold medals. Mulubirhan Henok, he is the master of these race. He is the master of these games when it comes to the elite men race. And he has shown that Eritrea are the masters of Africa in the elite men's road race. Once again, mad love for Eritrea and the Uganda and South Africa. Congratulations to the 3 medalists. As we all expected, Eritrea dominant from the beginning of the race, both the men and the women. The men will be standing together in celebration. They came in their numbers. They were hoping for a clean sweep. It was not possible, but they will settle ever proudly for that gold medal. 10 gold medals in the 19 editions of the competition. They are the kings of Africa. Their ambassador joins them. Thank you very much to the Eritrean family, the Eritrean Cycling Federation, to the cyclists themselves. Congratulations to each and every one of them. Congratulations to the nation. Congratulations to the ambassador. Congratulations. I will give them a minute to show